Have you ever come across a plant whose leaves look as if an artist brushed them with strokes of white and cream? Chances are, you were admiring the stunning Variegated Monstera, a true showstopper in the world of houseplants. Its iconic split leaves, splashed with unpredictable patterns of white or cream, make each one a unique work of art. No two leaves are ever exactly alike, and that's part of the magic. This plant has quickly become a must-have for plant lovers, collectors, and interior designers alike, adding a touch of elegance and intrigue to any space. The real magic. Every new leaf is a surprise, unfurling with its own distinct pattern and color combination. Watching a new leaf emerge is like unwrapping a present. Despite its exotic, almost otherworldly appearance, caring for a variegated monstera is more approachable than you might expect. With the right environment and a bit of attention, it can thrive in your home. With a little knowledge, patience, and love, anyone can nurture this living masterpiece and watch it flourish over time. In this guide, we'll dive into what makes the Variegated Monstera so special, explore the fascinating science behind its unique coloring, and share tips to help your plant thrive for years to come. Whether you're just starting your plant journey or you're a seasoned collector, get ready to discover why the Variegated Monstera is truly a plant to fall in love with. Variegation means a plant's leaves have patches of different colors, usually white, cream, or yellow mixed with green. These unique color patterns are what make variegated monsteras so eye-catching and highly sought after by plant lovers everywhere. This happens when some cells can't produce chlorophyll, the pigment that gives leaves their green color and helps them capture sunlight. Without chlorophyll, those cells appear white or yellow, creating those striking patterns that make each leaf a little different from the next. The white areas are beautiful, but they can't help the plant make food, so variegated monsteras grow slower than their all-green cousins. This means they need a bit more care and attention to thrive. Each leaf is unpredictable. One might be mostly green, the next a dramatic half and half. The pattern can change from leaf to leaf, making every new leaf a surprise. This genetic mutation is rare and unstable, making every plant unique. No two variegated monsteras are exactly alike, which adds to their charm and collectability. Too much white can make the plant weak, so a balance of green and variegation is ideal. The green areas are essential for the plant's health and energy. Variegated monsteras need more light to compensate for their non-green sections. Placing them in a bright spot helps them photosynthesize efficiently and stay healthy. Caring for one is about understanding its special needs and celebrating its imperfections. Every leaf tells a story, and each plant becomes a living testament to nature's creativity. You're not just growing a plant, you're nurturing a living piece of art, a botanical masterpiece that brings beauty and wonder into your home. There are several types of variegated monstera, each with its own charm. The Monstera albo-borsigiana is famous for bold white patches and dramatic half-moon leaves. The Thai constellation features creamy yellow speckles, offering a more consistent starry pattern. The Aurea or Marmorata has rare golden variegation, while mint varieties show silvery green tones. Each type appeals to different collectors, from those who love bold contrasts to fans of subtle patterns. The diversity in variegation makes collecting these plants endlessly fascinating. Whether you prefer the graphic albo or the speckled Thai con, there's a variegated monstera for every taste. Growing them is like curating a gallery of living art. What makes people obsess over variegated monsteras? Rarity and the thrill of the hunt. Finding the perfect specimen is a journey, searching, waiting, and sometimes trading with fellow collectors. Each new leaf is a surprise, making plant care an ongoing adventure. Sharing photos and stories online builds a global community of enthusiasts. The unpredictable patterns turn every plant into a personal treasure. Their beauty is undeniable. A healthy, variegated monstera is a showstopper in any room. Caring for one is therapeutic, connecting us to nature and creativity. It's more than a plant. It's a living, evolving piece of art. That's why these plants inspire such passion and pride. To keep your variegated monstera thriving and looking its best, start by placing it in a spot with bright, indirect light, enough to support the beautiful white sections, but not so much that it burns these delicate areas. Direct sunlight can scorch the variegated leaves, so filtered light is ideal. Water only when the top few inches of soil are dry, and always let excess water drain away. Overwatering is a common mistake, so check the soil moisture regularly. High humidity is key. Use a pebble tray or humidifier if your home is dry. Monstera plants love a humid environment, which helps prevent leaf browning and keeps them lush. Choose a chunky, well-draining potting mix designed for aeroids. This allows air to reach the roots and prevents water from pooling, which can lead to root rot. Prune away all white or damaged leaves to help the plant focus its energy on healthy growth. Regular pruning also encourages fuller, bushier plants. In winter, reduce watering as growth slows. The plant needs less moisture during colder months, so be careful not to overwater. Watch for pests and root rot. Healthy roots are firm and pale, not mushy or brown. Inspect your plant regularly for any signs of trouble, like yellowing leaves or wilting. With regular, gentle care, your monstera will reward you with stunning new leaves and vibrant growth throughout the year. With the right routine, your monstera will become the centerpiece of your indoor jungle, adding a touch of tropical beauty to your home. Remember, patience and observation are your best tools. Take time to notice your plant's needs, and you'll enjoy a thriving, beautiful monstera for years to come. Ready to buy your own variegated monstera? Start by inspecting the leaves. They should be vibrant, with a healthy mix of green and white. Avoid plants with lots of brown edges or yellowing, which signal stress. Check the stem for variegation. Future leaves depend on it. Healthy stems are firm, not mushy, and show some striping. If possible, peek at the roots. Look for firm, pale roots, not brown or slimy ones. Watch for pests like spider mites or thrips. Buy from reputable sellers who provide clear photos and answer your questions. Don't rush. Choosing a strong, well-balanced plant is worth the wait. A healthy start sets you up for success. Your perfect variegated monstera is out there. Choose wisely. The variegated monstera is more than a trend. It's a living masterpiece. Its ever-changing leaves bring art and nature together in your home. For beginners, it's a rewarding challenge. For collectors, it's a prized jewel. This plant sparks conversation, builds community, and inspires creativity. With the right care, anyone can enjoy its beauty and the joy of nurturing something unique. It teaches patience, observation, and the value of imperfection. Add a variegated monstera to your space, and you're welcoming a piece of living art. It's a plant that truly enriches your home and your life.